new wife vibes. You guys, Nigeria is the hottest country in the world. It's freaking hot. Hey. With the way things are looking right now, I feel like I'm just gonna have 3 bridesmaids.
Baby girl, you're so fine. I can't get you off my mind. Ooh girl, nah, nah. Ooh girl,
In 400 meters, turn left onto Abuja Road.
I had a dream last night. Did everything I never do in real life. I stepped into a room, told everyone to be quiet, cause I had something to say. Blew everybody away, wear whatever I want. Dressed in a gown, everybody's like, why, where you going? Nowhere special, just going to the store. I think I'd have it all, tell you why I've been more. Picking a plate, being a plate, she is unruly. Never seen her like this, didn't think it existed, no truly. Don't get in her way, she's not here to play, she'll get moody. But don't mistake this girl for being me, cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no, no. Cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no, no.
Hi guys, hi darling, hi people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to another vlog. Anyways, today is Thursday. Today is 13th April and today we have quite a lot of things to do. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going for fitting first. So I have some clothes that I got done, some native wears as per new wife vibes, okay? Then from there we're going to go to the skincare store, which is Tulip, and then we'll go to Green, and then we'll go to Ebano, and then we'll go and buy ice cream. We're just going to have a long day today and you guys are going to come along with me, okay? So yeah, let's start going because I was supposed to meet my tailor by 1, but it's currently 1:58, so I am late as usual. Anyways, we're heading there now. I'll see you guys when we get there. We got lost and we've been driving for how many minutes now? Yeah, go like this. Okay, that's what the map says.
Yes, right.
Guys, this road is very bad and Nigeria is so hot. Alright guys, so we are here at the tailor's house for the fitting. You guys, we drove for like 40 minutes. I'm not even joking. Like, we got lost. Anyways, we're here now, so we'll just quickly do the fitting and then we'll be heading to Wuse to get our stuff. So yeah, let's go. Hi guys, so it's currently 4:46 p.m. We wasted a lot of time because there was a lot of fitting to be done. Like I said to you guys earlier, I have added so much weight that I don't even understand. But anyway, she was able to get it done, so I have picked up my clothes. Yeah, that's the name, TNT. Now we are heading to the place because we need to eat. We are very, very hungry and Meso can faint. And I don't want somebody shout to faint here, so we're going to go to the place first, buy something to eat, and then we'll continue on our trip. Okay, so everything we're going to be doing is going to be in Wuse. Yeah, let's go. Alright guys, we are currently at the place. We want to buy food from here we'll quickly go to Tulip, and then we'll go to, what's the name of that store? Green. But thankfully everything is within Buse. To be honest, we've had a very, very long day. We did not expect today to be this long, but it is what it is. We just gotta finish up, go back home. Okay. I didn't think look at it. Hi guys, we just finished eating our food. We're going to Tulip now, and I am just going to get some skincare product, and also if I can find hair product I'll be happy, because Nigeria is so hot. Initially I wanted to go get my hair laid because I have this new wig that I got, but I've changed my mind. I'm not going to do that. It's too hot for that. Also, I wanted to braid my hair. I've also changed my mind that I'm not going to braid my hair, so I've decided to leave my natural hair out. So I need to buy heat protector, and I need to buy Gorilla Snot gel. I want to like stretch out my natural hair and just pack it for this week. Maybe next week I'll discover or think of what I need to do to my hair. Yeah, so that's what I've decided to do. So we are going to Tulip now, and once we get there I'll let you guys know. I knew it was around here.
I had a dream last night. Did everything you never do in real life. I stepped into a room, told everyone to be quiet, cause I had something to say to everybody who wear whatever I want. Dressed in a gown, everybody's like, why you going nowhere special? Just going to the store. I think I have it all, tell you I have even more. Picking the plate, being the place, she is unruly. Never seen her like this, didn't think it existed, no truly. Don't get in her way, she's not here to play, she'll get moody. So don't mistake this girl for being me, cause these are dream rules. This is someone else.
Hi guys, we are done with shopping. So I bought some stuff, but I was not able to find the stuff for my hair. Meso is suggesting we go to H Medics. To be honest, can you see how tired I look? I'm tired, like my tired is tired. Anyways, fitting is done, skincare is done. We are heading to Green right now, and I'll try and buy most of the things I need there. Then if there's time, we'll go to H Medics. Then after H Medics, we're going to Cold Stone because Meso is going to kill me. And after Cold Stone, we're going to call it a day. We have tried.
She can make all the problems disappear. She could tell you the things.
Hi guys, the last time we spoke we were at Cold Stone yesterday buying ice cream. You guys, I was so tired yesterday because it was so hectic. We drove, in fact now I understand driving is an actual sport. Like you guys, I was so tired when I got home. I couldn't film, I couldn't do anything anymore. Yeah, so the whole of today I did a little bit of cleaning in my kitchen. I didn't do like a lot of cleaning. I just did little cleaning, and then I was busy editing my next vlog. I was seriously editing that vlog. Okay, I don't know why this clip is not holding my hair. Yeah, that's what I've been doing the whole day. 5 p.m. and I am heading to my mom's place. My cousins, my little cousins, they are around. I need to get to Cold Stone first, buy them some ice cream, and also buy pizza, because I wouldn't want to be the big cousin coming empty-handed. Anyways, that's what I'm headed to right now. It's already 4:56. Hopefully we're going to Gwarimpa, and Gwarimpa has a lot of traffic, so hopefully there's not a lot of traffic, and they drive like mad people there, let me not even lie. Yeah, so I'm here with my sister today. Do you want to say hello? Say hello, pop in your head. Hello. So yeah, she's here with me today, and we are just headed there. To be honest, this thing I bought for my camera stand, I don't know if it's doing me good or bad, because I have to like tilt it somehow so that you guys can see me. But right now I need to put, you guys, I need to take this off. I finished using it to the FEZ. The thing is that I'm a blind Batino. I use glasses, and I feel like I don't even see very well when it's like really getting dark, and it's already currently evening. So best for me to take that off so I can see where I'm heading to.
Hello.
Hello. Can I have this cup?
This cup, right?
Yes, it's one. Yeah, I'm having four of it. You guys, at this point, Nigeria is the hottest country on the planet. It's hot. Like, you guys, Nigeria is the hottest country in the world. It's freaking hot. Like, I feel like pouring water over my body now. Like, it's that hot. It's really, really hot. So we have gotten the Cold Stone ice cream. We're waiting for our pizza. They said it's not yet ready. What are you doing?
Showing me the ice cream.
Pizza is not yet ready. Pizza is not yet ready. I don't know why this lightning is doing nonsense. So yeah, pizza is not yet ready. We are just waiting for them to come. You guys, from the Davido's album, I hope I don't get copyright strike. This is one of my best songs. The second one is Fademon. Hey, this is a jam. And the next one is to be honest, the whole album is a banger. You guys, the whole album is mad. While we're waiting for our pizza, let me just teach you guys a bit. You guys, I feel like I'm going to have just 3 bridesmaids at my wedding. With the way things are looking right now, I feel like I'm just going to have 3 bridesmaids. I'm just joking. But I'm currently looking at the wedding, what they call it, the wedding planner to use currently. I've got some on my list. I'm just still looking at the one I want to go with. I wasn't able to go to Ebano yesterday, so I'll probably try and go to Ebano maybe tomorrow. Angel, do you want to check if the pizza is ready? Yeah. Where's the receipt? See it here. You guys, we've got pizza here, and I heard that Domino's is trash, but I don't care. It came with this thing. What's that?
It's like chicken nuggets or something.
I think it's like chicken nuggets. I think this is for free because this doesn't come with our package. And then pizza. So, do you want us to keep it at the back?
Sure.
Keep it at the back here. And we are going. Hey guys, I'll speak to you guys when I get to my mom's. Bye guys.